Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is motion and friction. Question number 1. What is the apparent weight of the person when the elevator is accelerating downwards? Option A. Equal to the actual weight. Option B. Greater than the actual weight. Option C. Less than the actual weight. Option D. 0. The correct answer is Option C. Less than the actual weight. Question number 2. The forces acting at a point are called as Option A. Collinear forces. Option B. Coplanar forces. Option C. Concurrent forces. Option D. Unit forces. The correct answer is Option C. Concurrent forces. Question number 3. The force acting on a body for a short time are called as Option A. Average force. Option B. Momentum. Option C. Impulse. Option D. Tension. The correct answer is Option C. Impulse. Question number 4. Newton's third law of motion applies to which of these forces? Option A. Gravitational. Option B. Electric. Option C. Magnetic. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option D. All of them. Question number 5. The inability of a body to change its state of rest or motion is known as Option A. Force. Option B. Momentum. Option C. Displacement. Option D. Inertia. The correct answer is Option D. Inertia. Question number 6. Which of these is the cause of friction? Option A. Roughness of surfaces in contact. Option B. Force of adhesion between the molecules of the surfaces in contact. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. Question number 7. What is the relationship between kinetic and limiting friction? Option A. Kinetic friction is slightly greater than limiting friction. Option B. Kinetic friction is slightly less than limiting friction. Option C. Kinetic friction is equal to limiting friction. Option D. No relationship. The correct answer is Option B. Kinetic friction is slightly less than limiting friction. Question number 8. When one body is actually moving over the surface of other body, the friction is known as Option A. Kinetic friction. Option B. Limiting friction. Option C. Static friction. Option D. Negative friction. The correct answer is Option A. Kinetic friction. Question number 9. The value of coefficient of limiting friction does not depend on which of the following? Option A. Nature of the surfaces in contact. Option B. Total area of the surface in contact. Option C. Material of the surfaces in contact. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option B. Total area of the surface in contact. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a method to reduce friction? Option A. By lubrication. Option B. By polishing. Option C. Throwing sand on the ground. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. Throwing sand on the ground. Question number 11. Which of these is or are examples of conservation of linear momentum? Option A. Explosion of bomb. Option B. Recoiling of a gun. Option C. Fight of rockets and jet planes. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is option D. All of them. Question number 12. The second law of motion gives us a measure of which of the following physical quantities? Option A. Acceleration. Option B. Force. Option C. Power. Option D. Work done. The correct answer is option B. Force. Question number 13. As per the Newton's second law of motion, what is the relation between the rate of change of linear momentum and the external force applied? Option A. Directly proportional. Option B. Inversely proportional. Option C. Independent of each other. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option B. Inversely proportional. Question number 14. What is the product of the mass of the body and its velocity called as? Option A. Force. Option B. Linear momentum. Option C. Energy. Option D. Power. The correct answer is option B. Linear momentum. Question number 15. Which of the following is an example of application of force? Option A. When a body at rest starts moving. Option B. When a moving body stops. Option C. When moving body changes its direction. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is option D. All of them. Question number 16. Angle of friction is underscore. Option A. Equal to the angle of repose. Option B. Equal to twice the angle. Option C. Is greater than the angle of repose. Option D. Is less than the angle of repose. The correct answer is option A. Equal to the angle of repose. Question number 17. The thrust on the rocket is option A. In the same direction of the rocket. Option B. In the opposite direction of the rocket. Option C. At 90 degrees to the direction of the rocket. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option B. In the opposite direction of the rocket. Question number 18. Which of the following is not correct about the velocity of rocket at any time? Option A. It is directly proportional to the exhaust speed of the gases. Option B. It is directly proportional to the natural log of the ratio of the initial mass of rocket to its mass at that instant. Option C. Length of the rocket. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is option C. Length of the rocket. Question number 19. The apparent weight of the body becomes zero in which of the following cases in the elevator? Option A. During free fall of a body under gravity. Option B. When elevator is accelerating downwards. Option C. When elevator is at rest. Option D. When elevator is accelerating upwards. The correct answer is option A. During free fall of a body under gravity. Question number 20. The Newton's third law is applicable when? Option A. Bodies are at rest. Option B. Bodies are in motion. Option C. Bodies are in the air. Option D. Bodies are at rest or in motion. The correct answer is Option D. Bodies are at rest or in motion. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.